Hi everyone, I want to talk to you about creating and using labels in your Gmail inbox because over time you're going to end up with a lot of emails and a lot of them you're going to want to keep. So having a way to keep them organized is really important. So this is your Gmail interface and I want to direct your attention over here to your left sidebar, and I would like for you to click more, and then we're going to create our first label. So I'm going to click create label, and I'm going to call this like as I suggested, from teachers. And so that will be where you can label anything that comes from me or from Miss Shelton, and then click create. Now if you'll notice over here on the left, my label showed up. And so you even have some options with this label. So I want to make it a certain color. So I'm going to color anything that comes from my teachers kind of this color here. I like that one. And then notice it comes right here. And I'm going to create another label for emails from classmates. I'm going to create that one, and as soon as that one shows up, I'm also going to assign that one a nifty color. And then I'm going to do one more that is, I'm going to call this one Don't Forget. Sort of things that I have to go back and look at again perhaps. And when my Don't Forget stuff comes up, I'm going to color that one kind of a brighter yellow so that I can see that. So these are the categories that I've created. You're more than welcome to create whichever ones you choose to. So I've created the labels, but now let me show you how to assign them to the email that's in your box. So here are my incoming emails, and I see that here is an email from, I'll call that my teacher. So this is really easy. I can take my label and I simply drag it over to the email and it attaches right there. And then notice it at the top it tells you that it's been added to my label from teachers. And then there are several here from classmates. I'm going to go ahead and label those from classmates. Let's see. This one is another one from a teacher. Here's one from teacher. So see how I can just, from a classmate. So I've assigned a couple of labels to these emails. Now you don't have to assign an email to, a label to all of your email, just the ones that you kind of think deserve a place for that. But here's something else that's kind of interesting, because this invitation to meet with my group, if you had a group project going on and you were meeting after school, that definitely comes from a classmate, but it's also something that you don't want to forget. So you can actually include 2 labels on an email, which is nice. And then there is this one, another one from my teacher who says that I have to be at tutoring, and I'm going to assign a don't forget label to that one as well. So sure, it looks great on the page, but how is this useful to you? So what you can eventually do is click on the label, and then only the ones that you labeled from your classmates showed up, or you can click on the don't forget label and only the ones that you labeled that kind of show up on your screen. And that's a good way for you to kind of, if you need to go back and look at those particular emails, that's how you can do that. Just the coloring over time will kind of help you know what things are too. So that's pretty much how labels are used. Again, my suggestion is that you use the 3 labels that I gave you as an example, from your teachers, from your classmates, and things that you should not forget. But it is your Gmail, and how you choose to organize that is entirely up to you.